we have a truck that was towed in for shutting down while driving, but when you open the hood, you can smell something burning, and the pulley was hot. Okay, so more to that. Also, when I had no crank, no start. I ended up finding a blown fuse, and I replaced that fuse with a new one. So when I turn the key switch on, and there it goes. That was pretty cool, huh? All right, so what's going on to me is that I have something attached to the circuit. And so what I have is a toggle switch. And they're attached to with a Scotch lock to my ignition. So let's follow this all the way out here. This is gonna be fun. So with no crank, no start, there's so many different ways that this can actually happen. So here we are coming out here and into this relay. But what is this relay doing? Well, it looks like it's connected to 87A and 30, and it's going to, oh God, that's for the clutch. That's for the AC clutch right there. What did they do? They cut the AC clutch out. The relay's not even being energized, you guys. It's just using the normally closed part of the relay. Wow. Okay. All right, so let's go try this next thing. So now that I know green, okay, green is going to be on international trucks. It's going to be the AC side. So just, you know, my belt is off. That doesn't sound great. So I'm only assuming that the burning smell is going to be coming from this clutch, because that doesn't look good. Obviously my belt's not on there. So let's go ahead and unhook that. And then from here, we're going to go put in a new fuse. And see if this works. Okay, ready? New fuse. Everything's good. And it's not gonna pop. It's amazing. Okay. So regardless of whatever status this switch is on, it's not plugged in. And now I have a crank and a start. No crank, no start. Problem solved. Stop putting external circuits in there. Try to do it right. I don't know. I must be just saying that because I'm part of the dealership. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. It's all good. All right. So we're just going to order up an AC compressor, a belt. And if they want me to fix that circuit, we can, but crazy stuff that makes a truck not start or have a no crank, no start.